What cream can I use when I'm treating stretch mark? I'm treating my stretch mark now, and I don't want it to become worse. I'm treating it with your tip, with Vaseline, with aloe vera, with retinol, and then I'm seeing improvement. But what cream can I use? Go for cream that doesn't promise you 10 shades lighter, 7 shades lighter, lighter in 3 weeks, whitening 8 days, whitening 10 days. Go for creams that promises nothing. Go for brightening creams. Creams like Nivea, you know the creams now. Creams like Olay Retinol. In fact, if you incorporate Olay Retinol, with the wash or the lotion in your stretch mark regime, hey, your skin will be popping like this. Hey, your skin will so shine. You guys, go for cream that doesn't promise you all those kind of things. Some people are confused. You don't even know what you want. Because you come to my DM, you tell me, Ma, I want to also whiten my skin, but I have stretch mark. I want to also cure the stretch mark, but I want a cream that will not also give me the stretch mark, but I want to whiten the skin. Which one will I follow? Even anything lightening. If after you want to go for mild lightening things, lightening cream, you make sure that it doesn't touch that stretch mark place. You know that, okay, this place, so they apply Vaseline and retinol for this place, but this place I want to whiten this place, so you can be rubbing your whitening cream this side. If you go and rub any other whitening cream, you start again, because whitening cream causes stretch mark. But if you have mild lightening cream, I'm going to do a separate videos about lightening creams, mild ones that you can try. But now I'm going to just talk about brightening creams that you actually brighten your skin and give you a healthy glow, that you can also use those creams, and in fact it will help to make your stretch mark get better. So creams like Olay, cream like Dr. Davi, cream like Medix, cream like Skin by Zaron, cream like what other cream? There are a lot of nice cream you can use. Aqua Rich vitamin C, advanced Korean vitamin C. Those are the kind of creams you can be using when you are treating your stretch mark, and everything will be going mende. Your routine will be going straight. Not that you go front, you go back, you use whitening cream, you use stretch mark remover cream. You need to pick a side. You want to cure your stretch mark or you want to get lighter? Pick it. If it will take you 6 months to just use brightening creams alongside to, and that stretch mark, you will see results. So why not? You guys should listen. This is what I'll give. This is my tip for me to you. If you know that, okay, that lightening creams or whitening creams, a particular whitening cream is causing you stretch mark, and you love that cream so much, you don't want to stop, because you feel like if you stop, you get darker. It's understandable. Look at what you do. You would get a whitening soap. You get, using a whitening soap on your skin will just help to maintain it. Like whitening soaps, like it could be a turmeric soap, it could be a nano white extra soap, it could be a fair and white body wash, it could be Bella white body wash. Because those body wash, they are not staying on our skin, so it cannot cause us stretch mark like that. Do you understand? But the body lotion, because of they are too strong and they're too concentrated, and we are going to leave it on our skin for 8 hours every day, and our skin starts to break down. That is why it's going to come down with stretch mark. Another thing I will also say, if you know that you love your whitening cream so much or your lightening cream so much and you don't want to leave it, fine. Like I've said before, you can be using the Vaseline and the retinol treatment on one side. Then wherever you don't have stretch mark, you be very careful to be applying your whitening or your lightening creams to the other side. These are other creams you can use when you have stretch mark. I know you might be confused that how does whitening cream causes stretch mark? That stretch mark you have, you are thinking, oh, how did I get this stretch mark from this whitening cream? How did I get this stretch mark from this lightening cream? What is in it that actually triggers stretch mark? Because by the time you know this trigger, you'll be able to avoid it. Do you understand? So knowledge is power, you guys. So this is Mouth Beauty. Let's get into it. Please like and subscribe. So many whitening cream contain steroid. They don't used to write it on the body, but it contains steroid. Clobetasol, betametasol. Steroids thins out the skin. Steroids thins out the skin by breaking down the collagen. That is why I tell you guys that when you have stretch mark, they tell you use retinol products, use Olay retinol, use retinol oil, use retinol soup, because now retinol now helps to build back that collagen that have been broken down by the stretch mark creams. Retinol helps to build up the collagen that have been broken down by those whitening creams due to steroid. Can you see the signs now? Can you guys see the signs? Word. You guys, by the time you're using all this whitening cream, you are breaking down the collagen in your skin. That's why many of you don't work cream. Some people, they start to they work whitening cream since they enter 25 years old. When they reach 50, they go they look like wetin I don't know. You now start looking for collagen this. Your skin is already tired. Sometimes give yourself break from whitening or lightening. Sometimes you see, anybody that is a bleacher or you use whitening product, I will not insult you. If you are using whitening product steady to maintain your skin, good, you found something that maintain your skin. You and I know that that thing contains some whitening product, because if you drop that cream today, you will be turning dark. This is what I will advise you, as for me, Mel's Beauty, to you. Sometimes give that skin break, or have two lotion. People wey dey get whitening lotion and they get all this normal brightening lotion, Nivea only, they no get two hair. They are smart about it. Why I say they are smart about it is because that whitening product is helping to break down that collagen. It's helping to break down that collagen. Then they are using this Nivea nourishing, Olay nourishing, Medix nourishing, reviving, radiant lotion to now help to cover up some breakage that the whitening lotion is doing. It will not cover it completely, but it's better than you that use only whitening lotion, you use in and out, no break. Sometimes you give yourself break. And I want to tell you guys something. If you know you are using any whitening lotion on your skin, get a collagen oil, get a retinol oil. A retinol oil by the side. And that retinol oil is what you are going to be using to help to maintain your skin. So that when you go hold, your skin will not fall yakata on the floor. Most people's skin now are beyond repair. Nothing can be done. Even no matter this, you don't work tire, nothing can be done. Even if you want to manage, I can just, if you come to me, maybe the skin is 0, I can just help give you 40. You just manage it like that. So please beware